Step inside Metro at Piemonte, where you'll find spacious floor plans with seamless connections and thoughtful designs that reflect the best in modern living. With up to 1,645 square feet, these floor plans are fit for achieving your daily routine. Say hello to your gourmet kitchen, complete with a large center island, state-of-the-art appliances, and plenty of counter space. Slow down your mornings with breakfast and fresh air on your private deck. Select floor plans offer flex spaces, providing extra space for your personal gym. Working from home comes easily with perfectly integrated loft spaces available in select home designs. Located in the heart of Ontario, Metro at Piemonte is just minutes from dining, shopping, and entertainment. With easy access to major highways, the convenience of urban living is right at your fingertips. From the essentials to your favorite brands, everything you need is here. Come home to Metro at Piemonte.